The top 20 ranked armies in the world, based on various factors like military strength, budget, manpower, and technology, are typically listed as follows. Number 1, United States. The US has the world's most powerful military with advanced technology, a large budget, and extensive global reach. Number 2, Russia. Russia has a strong military presence with a large number of nuclear weapons and advanced defense systems. Number 3, China. China possesses the largest military in terms of personnel and is rapidly modernizing its armed forces. Number 4, India. India has a large and well-trained military with nuclear capabilities and is investing in modernizing its forces. Number 5, France. France has a modern, technologically advanced military with nuclear weapons and a strong global presence. Number 6, United Kingdom. The UK has a highly professional and technologically advanced military with a focus on global operations. Number 7, South Korea. South Korea's military is well equipped and highly trained, with strong defense capabilities. Number 8, Japan. Japan has a highly advanced military focused on self-defense, with strong technological capabilities. Number 9, Pakistan. Pakistan has a large and experienced military with nuclear weapons, and it plays a key role in regional security. Number 10, Turkey. Turkey has a sizable military with modern equipment and significant regional influence. Number 11, Italy. Italy's military is modern and well equipped, with a focus on both national defense and international peacekeeping. Number 12, Egypt. Egypt has the largest military in Africa and the Middle East, with significant regional influence. Number 13, Brazil. Brazil has the largest military in Latin America, with a focus on regional security and peacekeeping missions. Number 14, Iran. Iran has a significant military force with regional influence, particularly in the Middle East. Number 15, Indonesia. Indonesia has a large military force and is a key player in Southeast Asia. Number 16, Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia has a well-funded military with modern equipment and strong regional influence. Number 17, Australia. Australia has a modern, well-equipped military with a focus on regional stability and defense. Number 18, North Korea. North Korea has a large military force with nuclear capabilities and significant regional influence. Number 19, Canada. Canada has a modern military with a focus on international peacekeeping and defense. These rankings can vary depending on the criteria used in the source of the ranking, but this list represents a general consensus based on current global military capabilities.